If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the color scheme used by the chart's data within an Excel chart, select the chart or one of its chart elements. Then click the Change Colors button that appears in the Chart Styles button group on the Chart Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then select a color scheme from the drop-down menu of choices. Alternatively, to change the color scheme used by the chart's data, select the chart. Then click or tap the Chart Styles button at the right side of the selected chart. In the side menu that appears, click or tap the Color command if needed to view the color scheme choices. Then tap or click a choice within the scrollable list that appears to apply it to the chart. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.